Hey there, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we are going to check out our NitroPress cold brew guide. So today we're going to focus on the Hatfields London NitroPress. So we already have our cold brew ready. If you're looking for a cold brew recipe, you can check out our brew guide for the mizudashi, the brewer, the ground control. All of those are ways to make cold brew, and I will drop the link to those in the description. To get started, you are going to need a Hatfields London NitroPress, the Hatfields London Nitro Chargers, glass, and some cold brew. This holds about a half a liter at its max capacity, which is about 16 ounces. We have 14 ounces here. So we're gonna just pour this in. And we're going to attach the lid. Gonna pop one of the chargers in here and screw this on. And by doing this, it will puncture it and charge up. All right, and at this point, you will shake. Ideally, you'll shake for a couple of minutes, or you can shake for a couple of minutes and let it sit in the refrigerator. But the longer that you shake, the more the nitrogen dissolves into the liquid inside, and in this case, the cold brew. Now that this is all nice and shaken up, all you have to do is hold it upside down and pull the lever and let it go. You can see that it is much lighter than it was, and that is because all of those little nitrogen bubbles are floating around inside. All right, so let's give it a try. It's very good. All right, so that is our NitroPress cold brew. You can find the Hatfields London NitroPress online at primacoffee.com, and be sure to check out all of our exclusive content and additional recipes in the Prima Coffee community, and I'll see you next time.